Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to shop using our digital catalog on my online store. So when you're on your online store, of course, this is on mobile, you would go to the menu and tap catalog, and that'll take you to the digital catalog. If you're on a desktop or laptop on your web browser, you'll just see a link for the digital catalog there on the menu. And this is our digital catalog. And the reason why you might like to shop our digital catalog is it's a little bit more fun, a little more interactive. It's got more detail on some of the products and things, and it's a great way to kind of browse through what's new and see what's new and exciting in the current brochure. So this is the current brochure. You get kind of an animated version of the cover there, and you just tap the cover and that'll open up the digital catalog. And you'll start with, you'll see these, what we call stories. So the first story is featuring kind of our Parisian holiday. And then you can just swipe through the different things in the story. So you'll get videos that maybe show a little more close-up detail or how to use different products. And you just swipe to the left or the right to go through. And you'll get different pictures. If you want to see, more information about the products in the picture, you can just tap the circle with the little lines down there, and it'll show you all of the different products shown in the picture. And if you see, if it's a makeup item and you see this little camera next to it, you can tap that camera to open it up, and it's a virtual try-on tool. So you can try on all of the colors in that particular product. You can scroll up to get to the next story, and there'll be usually 5 or 6 different stories with different categories of things in there. So like this one is our kind of focusing on our holiday jewelry. So you can swipe through. You can also use the little arrows on the sides here. And again, you can view the product information there. You can always tap this little pink circle with what looks like a book here. You can open that up, and it'll take you to the different categories of products. So, if you want to explore our, maybe you want to explore our daily essential collection, it'll take you to that category, and you can kind of scroll through just like you do with the stories. There's different categories of products, and it'll take you to those products or that category of products within the online store. So that's just kind of a quick overview of our little digital catalog. It's just a lot of fun, and you can always also, search for different things here. There's even a little how-to if you want tips on how to use the digital catalog, if you need any help with that. You can add things to your shopping or view your shopping cart and your wish list while you're in there. So lots of fun stuff in the digital catalog. And I love being able to see like the little videos and the more detailed product information. When we have new products like our new skincare products or new makeup products, there will be little videos in here that show kind of how to use the products. So yeah, just a lot of fun. That's our digital catalog. And of course, anytime, if you have any questions at all, just reach out to me, and I am absolutely happy to help. Hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you again soon.